Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will presentation about thesis trial, the effect of work competence and work discipline on performance through job satisfaction as a motivation variable at Honoris Industri Bogor City. Professor uh, 1, Profesor Dr. R.D. Tuti Sariwulan MSI, Profesor 2, Dr. Agung Wayu Handoyo STMM by Miss Piani Syabaniah. Chapter 1, Introduction. Recurrent performance is related to the final results obtained from the goals that have been set in a plan where the measure of performance produced for sharing indicators both the term of quality produced, quantity of results, responsibility, and innovation given achieving these goals. Each worker has abilities based on knowledge and skill, competence, and that are appropriate for their work motivation, and performance satisfaction, as well as having personalities, attitude, and behaviors that can affect their performance. So that performance is closely related to work competence, work discipline, and job satisfaction. However, lately, honors industry experienced a decline in performance. This is performance achievement of its honoris industry production department. Next, the cause of low work competition is low knowledge or knowledge on of play. The average education level for production employees at the high school vocation, vocational level 90.6%, but not furthest from engineering, and there are still employees with low education level, namely junior high school at 7% and elementary school at 1.6%. Then the survey results show that average this is percent of have low work competence, that's low work competence, and that employees are not able to analyze and design in production 92%. If the percentage of the attendance rate 0% to 2% is the still good. If there is 3% to 10%, then attendance is high. This means that employees are not disciplined at work. This is production employee training data for this is employee attendance rate in this is in the year. This is problem information. One, does work competence have a positive and significant effect on employee performance? Two, does work discipline have a positive and significant effect on employee performance? Three, does job satisfaction have a positive and significant effect on employee performance? Four, does work competence have a positive and significant effect on job satisfaction? Five, does work competence have a positive and significant effect on job satisfaction? Six, does work competence has a positive and significant effect on employee performance through job satisfaction as well mediating variable? Seven, sorry, seven, does work discipline and have a positive and significant effect on employee performance through job satisfaction as a mediating variable? Research objectives. One, to analyze and explain the influence of work competence and employee performance. Two, to analyze and explain the influence of work discipline and employee performance. Three, to analyze and explain the effect of job satisfaction on employee performance. Four, to analyze and explain the effect of work competence and job satisfaction. Five, to analyze and explain the influence of work discipline and job satisfaction. Six, to analyze and explain in the influence of work competence and employee performance through job satisfaction as a mediating variable. Seven, to analyze and explain the influence of work discipline and employee performance through job satisfaction as a mediating variable. Research one, theoretical benefits. It is hoped that in can add insight or development of human research management knowledge about performance. Two, practical benefit. This is research in the expected to be means in the application for knowledge and theories obtained in developing the concept of common research behavior, improving employee performance in company. Chapter 2, theoretical studies. Theoretical background, employee performance. Performance is result of work achievement by members of the region organization which reflects the success in carrying out the tasks they achieve employee performance indicator, namely quality, quantity, and efficiency. Job satis- job competence. Work competence are the main resource referring to human capital in organization and formed from a combination of individual knowledge, skill, abilities related to work, the indicator, the technical expertise, personal knowledge, and communication skill. Work discipline. Work discipline is very necessary for every employee, which is meant to train the personality and ability to always show good performance, good behavior, and lifestyle. Indicator of discipline are attendance, compliance with regulation, and punctuality. Job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is pleasant physical condition that workers employed feel in the work environment for their role in the organization and their needs are well met. Indicator of job satisfaction are leaders, show workers, and wages. This is a relevant research uh, 1 to 27. Next, this is theoretical framework and theory development. The effect of competence on employee performance based on previous research. It has been shown that work competence and positive and significant effect on employee performance. The effect of work discipline on employee performance based on previous research, it shows that discipline has positive and significant effect on employee performance. The effect of job satisfaction on employee performance based on research conducted previously, it showed that job satisfaction has a positive and significant effect on employee performance. The effect of competence on job satisfaction based on performance research, it shows that work competence and has a positive and significant effect on job satisfaction. Next, the effect of work discipline on job satisfaction based on performance research. It has been shown that discipline has a positive and significant effect on job satisfaction. The effect of competence and performance digital job satisfaction, based on research conducted previously, it shows that work function has positive and significant effect on performance through job satisfaction. The effect of work discipline on performance job satisfaction, based on previously conducted research, it has been shown that work discipline has a positive and significant effect on employee performance through job satisfaction. From the theoretical framework above, the hypothesis in this study is hypothesis 1. Work balance has a positive and significant effect on employee performance. Hypothesis 2 has positive and significant effect on employee performance. Hypothesis 3, job satisfaction has a positive and significant effect on employee performance. Hypothesis 4, work balance have a positive and significant effect on job satisfaction. Hypothesis 5, work discipline has a positive and significant effect on job satisfaction. Hypothesis 6, competence has a positive and significant effect on performance through job satisfaction. Hypothesis 7, work has a positive and significant effect on performance through job satisfaction. Calculation of includes between variables, independent variable or X variable are variable that may cause influence and have effect on outcomes. The independent variable is this study are competence variable 1, work discipline variable 2, job satisfaction variable 3. Dependent variables are the variable that depend on independent variable. This bound variable are the outcome or result of influence of independent variable. The bound variable in this study is employee performance. The intervening variable is variable intermediary independent variable to the bound variable. The mediating variable in this study is job satisfaction. The variable this is constellation this is constellation of influence between variables. Chapter 3, Research Method. Time and voice of research. The object of the research in a field of notice industry which are plotted on street Raya Sukabumi This is Teluk Pinang, Ciawi, Regency Bogor, West Java. The research is carried out for 5 months, starting from June to October. Research design. Research design, the research method used in the study is quantitative approach. The quantitative approach, according to Sivan and Knapp, is rather two methods recording data, simple design, and in construction of data is instrument. From the type to data used in quantitative research, the dominant is processed in the form of numbers. The instrument used is this study is question is distributed to sample of represented population. The research method used is the study is a quantitative approach. The quantitative approach, according to Sivan and Kanak, is rather two method for collection data. Research, the instrument used is study question is distributed to sample of predetermined population. The research method used in study is quantitative approach. The quantitative approach, according to Sivan and Kanak, is mathematical data. Uh, the instrument used is quantitative instrument sample for the population and sample. Slovin's formula. This is 7. Next, this is instrument development from employee performance conceptual definition. Performance is defined as the scope of persons work the both overall quality and quantity overall given period to support the goals within company. This is the performance variable instrument grade, variable performance, dimension quality, quantity, effectiveness, indicator of completing work according to its quality, producing goods in according with SOP, quantity able to produce according to the target, to able to proceed with the number of cycles, effectiveness optimizing to use of technology, to raw material usage rate. Competence, conceptual definition. Work competence is defined as ability, skill, and knowledge in carrying out work to achieve company goals effectively and efficiently. In the production section, acquires skills in the form of technical expertise, operational knowledge, and communication skill. Table grade of competency variable instrument, jobs competency, dimension, technical expertise related to various actions such analysis, design, planning, implementation, control, and improvement. Operation knowledge have knowledge related to technical literacy and literacy. To have knowledge of innovation and creativity. Communication skill. One entity the ability is to listen effectively. To have strong oral and written communication skill. Work discipline conceptual definition is discipline and defined as a person behavior of attitude to carry to effectivities in the accordance with the regulation in the company, both written and unwritten voluntarily. This is guild of work discipline variable instrument. Work discipline presents indicator high frequency of attendance, low stress rate, obey to rules, obey to explicit rules, follow order from superiors, on time, come to work on time, able to carry out work on time. Job satisfaction, concept of definition, job satisfaction can be defined as a pleasant feeling for a person for the work he has does so that is motivation in him at work. This is a great variable job satisfaction instrument. Variable job satisfaction uh, bus itu having its own boss, employers who participate in the work, so workers have a supportive college at work, have fun co-workers, which is getting a wage that is about to meet needs, get fair wages. Data technique study book, literature obtained from books, journals, and scientific work related onto subject matter-based research. Field studies, conducting interview, observation, and distributing questionnaires as an instrument in the study. Measurement is carried out using the Likert scale in a score of 5 point, namely answer strongly agree 5, agree 4, nervous 3, disagree 2, strongly disagree 1. Data analysis technique, the data management study use smart LS for software analysis technique as called out are as follows. Uh, Outer model analysis, convergent validity, and individual reflexive measure is said to be high if correlates with the construct to be measured. Discriminant validity if the correlation of a construct with a measured item the greater than the size of another's construct, then it indicates the third block size is better than that of other blocks. Meanwhile, according to another method to assessment discriminant validity, namely and by comparing the value of the square root of average selected. The average selected is good is have a value greater than this is. Composite reliability if the value achievement is 0.7 is can decide that construction has high reliability. The construct test and be measured using a conority indicator with a score of less than 5 is the if it is above 5 it indicates in there is multicollinearity. Undesigner model analysis and model a square value if a square value 0.75 independent latent influence on the dependent latent leverable in the identified. If the square value 0.50 independent latent influence on the medium on intermediate independent latent variable is identified. If the R square value 0 25 and independent latent influence on the independent latent variable is identified. Good, goodness of fit. According to Ghazali, a model is said to be fit has been of while if the is closer to one, there is better or fit. Hypothesis testing, direct effect analysis, PET coefficient where if the value of PET coefficient is positive, then the influence of an independent variable on the independent variable is unidirectional. If the value of PET coefficient is negative, then the influence of an independent variable on dependent variable is the positive. Uh, Probability atau significance p-value the first is 0.05, then the influence on the variable is significant. If the p-value 0.05 in the influence on the variable is not significant, indirect effect analysis, this indirect influence can be sent from the result of bootstrapping. The specific indirect effect come by knowing the purpose of how to route the intervening variable affect the independent variable to be independent variable. Chapter 4, Result and Discussion. The analysis unit of the research has carried out knowledge industry, Bogor City. The history of company funding the beginning of this business pioneered by Mr. Archie Honoris by opening a mobile to photo service in the Pasar Baru area been furthering washing service along with the large production and lack of capacity. The subsidiary of Anors Industry in Ciawi, Bogor, which began the construction first optical lens production factory in Indonesia, the followed the production assembly of meteor. The lens in the assembly LED engineering serving like using cosmetic brand namely Hardy. This is a discriminant of respondent character respondent gender, men 65.3%, age 21 to uh, 30 years old. 3, education level, high school, length of work, 0 to 3 years. This is this description of research variable, description of employee performance, uh, number assessment, just of answer, strong agree, nervous, disagree, strong disagree. Next, a description of competence, work competence. This is this description of research variable, work discipline, the description of work job satisfaction. Statistical analysis of data. This is author model testing, convergent validity, loading factor. And this is pet loading factor PES 2. This is discriminant validity. The average value is good if this value greater than 0.5. This is side Gojali. Average variance extracted, job competence, work discipline, job satisfaction, employee performance. This is then 0.5. This is compensatability. If the value achieved is 0.7, it can be said the construct has high gravity from batch alpha is gravity test then carried out to strengthen the result of compensatability. A variable can be declared variable is if it has a compressed alpha value 0.7. This is compensatability and compressed alpha. This is overall variable. Next, construct reflective user using linearity indicator with the score of less than 5. The sort of linearity indicator measure. There is no multilinearity between indicator. Next, inner model testing, determination coefficient test atau R-square. The R-square adjusted value of the job satisfaction variable has a 0.601. This shows that 60.1% of job satisfaction and can be influenced by work competence and work discipline, while the remaining is influenced by other variable. Then the R-square adjusted value of the employee performance variable is 0.674. This shows the 67.4% of employee performance and be influenced by work competence, work discipline, and job satisfaction, while the remaining 32.7% is influenced by other variables outside of this study. Goodness of fit, according to Ghazali, a model is said to be fit if it has been, while the width is closer to 1, there is better of fit. This is 0.077, which means the value is then 0.710, and the value of 0.695 means then value is close to 1. So it can be said this research model is fit. This is patch coefficient and p-value. The value of variable 1 patch coefficient to um, the to employee performance positive, which means the influence of work competence on employee performance in one interaction, then the value of 0.036 0.105 means significant. Two, the value of PET coefficients competence to employee performance is positive, which means employees work discipline, employee performance is in one in direction, then the value of 0.0360105 means significant. The value of the of um, job satisfaction, PET coefficient to employee performance positive, which means the effect job satisfaction employee performance is one. Then there's in the corporate value 0 to 0.0 line, 0 to 0.05 means significant. The value of the PET coefficient of variable 1 to variable 3 is uh, verbal job satisfaction positive, which means that values of work competence on job satisfaction is well over the price. Then the value of 0.0009, 0.05 means significant. The value of the PET coefficient of variable 2 to variable 3 and variable intervening is positive, which means the influence of work discipline and job satisfaction in one in direction. That's a value of 0.000.05 means significant. The value of coefficient PET variable 1 to uh, variable intervening drop. This is 0.1 positive, which has many levels of competence and employee performance stroke and direction job satisfaction. The value 0.01 1005 means significant. The value fat coefficient of variable 2 to employee performance is stroke variable intervening 0 to 2 positive and means the influence of work discipline employee performance stroke and directional job satisfaction. Then the value of 0.005055 is significant. Next, discussion. The effect of work compensation and employee performance. The result of the study work show that work compensation has a positive and significant effect on the performance of employee Honda's industry Bogor City. In the work competency variable, the technical expertise indicator received the highest score from the respondent. This shows the employees are more effective in complicating their work because they are able to analyze the design in the production process according to company's expectation. Then people are able to carry out production planning, which can be continued by implementing it so that it's processed by product according to has been planned, and employees are independent and even personally of mistake they make because they are able to make improvement and control by itself. It, the result of this study are in vivid research conducted by Wartono and Sundariana, Obaidillah et al., Harwina, Subari Hanas, and Biscoff dos Santos de Oliveira. The effect of work discipline by performance, the result of study work that work discipline and positive and significant effect on the performance on employee honors industry Bogor City in the work discipline variable indicator employee is a relegation ratio the big Higgs score from the respondent. This performance evaluated during work obey the relegation they have been set by company so production process runs smoothly as expected by company accompanied by the ability coverage to field and the rules of spin. The result of this study are in line with research conducted by Tupti and Hari Fernandos Narawati of all Andriani. The effect of job satisfaction on employee performance. The result of study showed that job satisfaction has a positive and significant on the performance employee Honors Industry Bogor City. In the job satisfaction variable, the coworker indicator get the highest score from the respondent. This proves the at work they have colleges or sport or motivate each other at work and hold atmosphere because comfortable because they have pleasant pleasure to so they excited every time they work. His basically participant at work in the result of this study in Delhi with research conducted by Tupti and Rari, Fernandez, Norawati et al., Andriani, Nurrahmat, and Sulatri, Trivinta, Rini et al., Badrianto, and Ehsan. The effect of work competence on job satisfaction, the result of the study show that competence has a positive and significant effect on job satisfaction in employee of Honors Industry Bogor City in the competency variable, the technical expertise indicator is saved in the high score from the respondent. This so employees are more effective and completing their work because they are able to analyze and design the production process according to the company's expectation. The employees are able to carry out production planning, which can be continued by implementing produce product according to has been planned and employees are independent and when even responsible and for mistake in general because they are be able to improvement and control by this in itself makes employee have a sense of satisfaction at work. The sort of these are in line with research conducted by Haryadi and Nur Hasana, Rahma, Agustina et al. And Nugraha et al. Continued discussion. Yeah. The effect of work discipline on job satisfaction. The result of the study show that work discipline has a positive and significant effect on job satisfaction in employee of Honoris Industry Bogor City in the work discipline variable in the regulatory compliance indicator reshaped the high score from the respondents, the first and then employees during work away to relegation that have been set be the time to the production process run smoothly and expected by the company company and ability of employees not violate and rules have been made. Employee absent to has relegation indicated role employee have satisfaction at work. The result the result of in this car in the line the research conducted by Rahayu and Dahlia, Suprapti et al., Bahmani, Oske, and Frederick. The effect of work competition on employee performance through job satisfaction, the result of the study show that work plus and has a positive and significant effect on employee performance through job satisfaction in employee of Honoris Industry Bogor City in the company variable the technical experts indicator received the high score from the respondent. Then in the variable of job satisfaction, the co-worker indicator gets the high score from the respondent. Thus, this sports edge outdoor where employees are common in analyzing, designing, planning, production, and implementing in the even making improvement is a mistake accompanied in by job satisfaction because having colleges and help each other are fun in working makes the work atmosphere comfortable. It will be able to support improvement in employee performance. The result of this study are in line research conducted by Hidayat of all, Rani Maria, Marhayani, and Prashanta. The effect work discipline employee performance job satisfaction. The result the result of the study show that work discipline has positive and significant effect on employee performance, job satisfaction, employee of Honors Industry Bogor City in the work discipline variable, the regulatory compliance indicator received the high score from the respondent. Then on the job satisfaction variable, the core indicator gets high score from the respondent. Thus, the sport as other where employees are disciplined because the employee company regulation component in first getting job satisfaction because they have collection who help each other. There are person which improve employee performance. The result of this study are in line with the research conducted by Rahmania, Windy, Sundari, Edward et al. Chapter 5, Conclusion and Advice. Conclusion, directly, work discipline and work discipline have a positive significant effect on employee performance at Honors Industry. Indirectly, Work competition and work discipline have a positive and significant effect to employee performance through job satisfaction at Honda's industry. This is a complication where performance high it effective. This is effectiveness, it the ability of employees to use technology, the ability of employees to solve the problems quality through technology optimized facilities. Variable jobs competence high. This is technical expertise, the ability of employees to analyze, design, plan production, and implement it, as well as the ability of employees to control and make improvement in the event of an error. Work discipline obey to rules in the company regulation or policy that can now be enforced or can still be applied because current employees comply with the regulation and have never violated them elements and the policies that have been made are relevant. Reliable job satisfaction so worker current colleges must be rated by or try to bring back a comfortable atmosphere by creating colleges where support each other at work. This is a recommendation for the honors industry on a verbal employee performance quantity. Pay attention to abstaining expressed by employee by providing training or interesting assistance. Work influences communication skill, provide interaction or guidance to employee on how to convey information or good communication so that I can be understood by other employees. Work discipline, this is present. Pay attention to employees of who often to do not come to work or are given a blessing to come and company also pays attention to overtime system for a place. For a discipline, leadership must be defined in order tables show the routine employees have a responsive attitude or provide support of or motivation and need to train to be able to help solve problems when employees makes mistakes. Further research recommendation using only three variables. It can use good variable, use career development and leadership style that affect performance to or such motivation, organizational control, culture, and compensation, such as research conducted by a study. Whether sample not is a single unit of analysis. Next, mm, reference. Limitation, limitation is one, there are only two independent variable consisting of work competence and work discipline and one mediating variable, namely job satisfaction. There are mainly other independent variable that are suspected to have an influence on employee performance. In the study, the data presented has one from a questionnaire instrument which has based on the perspective perception of respondent answer. The sample used was only for employees of the production department and only used one unit of analysis, namely honors industry Bogor City. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.